I'm divorced, yes, but this is the time I've seen the hand of God so strong on my life.
Even more than when you were married?
Even more than. So I was actually depending on man.
So you had the confirmation from God,
of course,
that this is it and it's over.
And when I spoke to my partner too, he also understood that we have to do this and then pray and see what the Lord will do.
So you initiated the conversation of the divorce?
Of course.
But so ko wale no so ka se nyame na si won wale a time na mo bla nyame ni kunu no aboawa so mu amu ayeye no nyame amu anya na said wonya baabi esi a bedidi ama wo kunu ye bibi si nyame si dana e nyina si wo hypocrisy nyame so ko kan ye so mu ni firi nyame mu ni nyame chen nyame nka be obi moto si nyame nka bi obi no obete wo se meba awale a me de wo ko ye no. Say
a warrior, a sembahwa is better to keep silent. A warrior, and sembahwa is better to keep silent. Nia meti we chirentia, Ohemaa mercy na warrior we minka asem we da. But mete say na humaso wom. Be mane ka asema no ntie. Na onya time ano. Mete so say me servant bi ofi ona no hebe mane du ona pai normal. Nyame no ka say no mien kan yo begu aware no say nyame na ka che obi so nya aware. Hey, what do you mean? And the mama church say mo rade. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Hello, hi Xposed GH. From Bruce Bacho. Oh, subscribe, no bin sunya bin share. Ohemaa Mercy, one of the greatest gospel artists in Ghana. Nan say okay can't say me na debi am say. And some no mokeka I don't know say. Or my managers no mo nya adu ana so mo an no mo kan say mom. Asem no kind very unnecessary. Ebi a won say or say Nyankopon when the manager ni kunu. Eh na am say wow. So after sambwa yenkweti Ohemaa interview numra.
When God took you through the transition of your marriage to the point where it broke, everyone was talking.
Yes.
Everybody was talking. Yeah. Look, at the time I lived in a particular place in Sakumono.
I know.
So I knew the beautiful house that you had built.
Yes.
In fact, in that area, your house was actually the name of that area.
Of course.
Because the house
Ohemaa
was
Mercy Street.
Exactly, Ohemaa Mercy Street.
It's still the Ohemaa Mercy Street.
Beautiful greenhouse.
Yes.
Exquisite. When God took you through that transition, how did you feel?
I remember when I was going through that, I said to myself, devil, I've given you a rope. Make sure you're able to pull it well. Because I'm pulling it with you in heaven. If I'm able to pull this rope to my side and I win this battle, we are in trouble. And I want to say this to every woman. When you are going through divorce, one thing that I've learned is that you don't depend on any man. Because tomorrow, there are some things you will regret. For me, my dependency was on the Lord. I didn't want to talk to anyone. I didn't want anyone to hear of whatever I was going through during the COVID season. And that was where I had that serious covenant with the Lord and an encounter with the Lord, speaking to him solely, going to the mountains to be there for 3 months. And I really want to hear what the Lord wants to tell me about what is going on around me. So when I heard it clearly, I took that bold step. And for me, I give God the glory because I'm divorced, yes. But this is the time I've seen the hand of God so strong on my life.
Even more than when you were married?
Even more than. So I was actually depending on man.
So you had the confirmation from God,
of course,
that this is it and it's over.
And when I spoke to my partner too, he also understood that we have to do this and then pray and see what the Lord will do.
So you initiated the conversation of the divorce?
Of course.
What were your first few words? What did you say?
I really want us to have a break.
Okay.
And then I need to run with the ministry. And I know that is your passion for me.
Okay.
Let me run with it. Let's take care of the kids and help each other. if I'm going through something, we talk about it. Let's take care of the kids, and then I don't want to fail God, because it's like I'm
failing God by staying in the marriage.
So I actually have to sit down with him, and then we had a cordial conversation. And for him, he's very, very mature.
So it's been very cordial.
Very, very up to now.
You guys speak every day.
We speak every
You're
day.
co-parenting.
Very, very.
Like you said in the beginning, there's so much that we need to talk about. I don't even know which one.
But I want to advise everyone. If you're a woman and you are going through divorce, your partner is not your enemy. Oh, yes. Because of the kids, you have a covenant. So I actually have to allow God to lead me through this, so that it will be another phase for every woman to emulate. That if you are going through battles in your marriage and it comes to the point of you going through a divorce, understand that you can never be enemies. You have to help each other because of the kids.
It's not even profitable.
It's not. It's not.
So akoti eja say ne asemo asem say Nyankopon ti bika chobi say jaware nyame na ka say no me enka ne obegu aware no say nyame na ka chobi say jaware. Hey, what do you mean? And the mama church say mo rade, don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Mama church say mo no we no na brasa me and dey wakanya asesem me mpa brasa bra na asem be ne dey wakanya asesem wo so Ohemaa boa Nyankopon bia ka chane hwe. You go to a interview in Somra.
So Ohemaa Mercy Kaswati Nyamenia Obwa. Oh how. Say Nyame say meba jayawale. It's never true. True no share. How? To oko wale no odiko Nyame anim. So oko wale no so wanfa anko Nyame anim ene ne Nyame hu ni moboso onya dia fine. Ba so oko wale no so ka se Nyame na si won wale a tama na mo bla Nyame ni kunu no aboawa so mu amu ayeye no Nyame amu anya no ne na asede wonya baabi esi a obedidi ama wo kunu ye dibie si Nyame si jana e nyina se wo kunu ma hypocrisy Nyame so ko kan so mu ne firi Nyame muni Nyame chen wan Nyame nka be obi moto se Nyame nka bi obi enu obete wo se meba awale a mede wo ko ye no se jai na ro me wati bi da obwa wonya ne mawi boy na boa na me na nya ne ba etine bi wo yale a ne ma bere no anya ne fieti ti wo so wa de no na we ti me enjoy life nti awale e cage o awale a won ne ho ne ma bibili wu ntime nya ti wo pese wo de ho ye de wo ya o de bako akosi Nyame bia ma meka se meba
so I go to brother Sammy say brother Sammy you repe share. You see, it's funny sometimes so me can be me say a warrior asemba ho a it's better to keep silent. A warrior and semba ho a it's better to keep silent. Niameti we chirenti a Ohemaa Mercy na warrior we me nka asem we da. But mete say na homaso wom. Be man ka asem a no ntie. Na onya time ano. Mete so say me servant we ofi ona no hebe man do na pan normal. Onti ase. Bible ni e ka no ye ntimi ndane no. Bible say woman submits, man love your wife. Ntimi nye say man love your wife, woman submit. No. Submission comes first before love. You might be corporate woman, you might be whoever, but only the word submitter, your marriage will collapse. And trust me, I've been there before, so I know what I'm talking about. Submission is the key to a successful marriage. Oba bia wutie me, okunu kanwa ka ware ne begu. Okunu kanwa ka begu. Oba nyansafo ni kunu ka otie no enwumre na wafrɛ oh baby ebi ase na me pa kye onye se na nampa obese be ma na ni awuo ni trim me ka from experience me yes anotie enwumre bra no wafrɛ oka wi obese woni awuo trim oba kwasia oka no waka bi oka to say women's right enu ti na mo ware egu no mercy yes anotie human right enu na egu na ware no hwe ade nyankopon kan me pa choma mo kase nyankopon aka nyankopon onye god of confusion aware na ngusan ofo se nyankopon ama wo ma at the beginning no na nyankopon nim se na beye eno oma ware ye sometimes ye niema bia na ye ahye nyankopon na de bia me say ye artists no either they don't know how to talk or they don't think before they talk. Because interview now call you know, the only thing you went there was to talk about what Tahila Deben when which was successful. What do you have to say about your husband? Nothing. Eti munim nyansa ka who can catch it when he said don't talk about my marriage on your show. But little mindness in Tino, what me be one no kase nyankopon na catch us jai ukunu. Shameful. So are you saying say Ohemaa Mercy and all the other women who have what divorced God told them nyankopon nyina ma bia nyankopon ka hwe mo na mogyae gospel music me tro nyom me ya nyom ntimi nyameka ade mienu ewo enyum tuom abonsam enu ti no oba down obo fam gospel musician bia wan hwa obenya bi ye ahomaso ne adwamanbɔ Sadia we mienu we gospel musicians obia ewom ahomaso wanya ahomaso a o adwamanbɔ ni enti wo bompa ye ne wantimi amanyankopon wan keteli sadia tu we a ebe bɔ fam most of your gospel artists now why nyina agu no including and saying yet about Christian life yeso obi kunu akwaje no adwaman enye adwaman a ya ahomaso me pa cho nyankopon kan jo bi ya say ja ukunu enye no kreda enkotie we na nkwaka nkyira wo so say wo so na ye na we nyankopon say ja ukunu fake news marriage a full-time job. You have to make it work. When you're ready for our by force. And yes, Debbie, you need to be what? Mentally ready, physically and spiritually ready. When you're mature and worry, and I'm not talking about age. When you opabua and worry. When you're bar, adiemi and sa, unimukan and worry, me pa chow, mate in a yo. I'm me dase. Uni madie miensa we kwa me pacho me dase na mate. Uni muka and worry. You can marry and still have your freedom. And money be say, won't tell me. Me tell you, number worry day. Because uni be marriage is about compromise. Me bubi muase. Now so bu muase net me worry. Na nyese because wo ba no was kasi mintino, you have to lord over me. That was the truth why Ohemaa Mercy's marriage got broken. It's not God. Yankopon bianca and chen na say be no dey sure be go and make your marriage work. That man that you left him, he's an innocent man. Go and make it work. That is your calling. So when you making your marriage worker, you have no business singing. And you now want to fake. Go and make that marriage work. I Xposed GHFM members, but I subscribe, no business in your bye bye.